Animal power in farming. The following video shows how to use animals as source of power in land plowing and transportation of farm inputs and produce. Michael Alfayo is a resident of Matia Ingose sub-location Mituba area in Kakamega County. He is one of the small-scale farmers in the village where he grows maize, cowpeas, beans, and nuts. He owns 3 acres of land where he normally practices his farming and has a family size of 1 wife and 8 children. When it's time to plow his land, he usually requires his 4 bulls, yoke, ox plow, and 2 gentlemen who usually assist to provide direction to the bulls during plowing. They hold the ear of the first 2 bulls, put the yoke on them, and loosely tie it around their neck. The same is applied to the remaining 2 bulls. A chain is then tied about 1.5 meters in between the 2 bulls, which connects to the ox plow. The bulls are then directed to the land to be plowed. Normally, plowing starts very early in the morning when the sun is not hot. It takes about 4 hours to plow 1 hectare of land, but in between the 4 hours, the gentleman and the animals takes a break of about 20 minutes. During this time, the gentleman takes their breakfast when the animals feeds on grass. They then continue for the remaining time until the land is fully tilled. In this process, an ox is kept standby at the farm for replacement in case one of the ox in action gets injured. 4 hours later, the land is fully plowed, awaiting to be planted. Transportation of farm inputs and produce is done using donkeys. This is another activity that requires 2 donkeys, a pulling cart, and 2 males who directs them. The donkeys are connected to the cart using 2 bars and manila lobes. The inputs are loaded on the cart at home, then transported to the farm awaiting planting. The same donkeys are used to transport farm produce after harvesting.